Hey guys, thank you for watching. You're watching Out and About in Our Country Life. Today guys, we're out here baling hay. And you can see my windrow right there. I'm using the 605 SuperM Vermeer Baler. And we're moving right along. This is that Keely that I talked about the other day. I want to show you how fast you can make a bale. That's my buzzer on my baler. Okay, now we're tying the bale, and I'll show you how this monitor and everything works. So we're tying the bale now. There's my monitor, if you can see it. There, she kicked it out. We're using net wrap. There, the bale's going out. Closing the in gate. Buzzer locks. Now the in gate's locked. Watch this, guys. .605 SuperM, my baler monitor. I hope you guys can see it. But there we're at 37, 38, 39, 40. Got to get to 67. .52, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That's my warning buzzer telling me I'm getting close. And there we got a bale, guys. Start net wrap. Watch how fast this goes. Net wrap done. Kick it out. Bale's going up. End gate comes down. Tailgate's locked. Watch this. I know there's a lot of good balers out there, guys, but I like my 605 SuperM. I like to update it to the end, but right now it's just not my plan or operation budget, I guess you could say. So we'll keep this one up as good as we can. And there we got a bale. And it's just so fast. We're not making the bale straight. These three bars should be straight up across each other. I should have put a little more on the left hand side, but I'm trying to video and everything else here, guys, and I guess do what you can do, right? Okay, I'll make one more bale. Here we go. I'm shifting. Okay, we're going. As I said, these are nice windrows, guys. There they are. We're baling here, and it don't take long. Eats it really well. The bigger the windrow, the better. As long as the tractor can get over the windrow, the baler will eat it. When the tractor starts dragging, then the baler won't. And there we got her, guys. Start net wrap. Done. There goes the bale. There comes the end gate. Make one more for you guys. Net wrap's locked. So yeah, we're moving right along here, guys. There's a lot of bales. I'll turn around here and I'll show you the progress, and we're just getting started. I'm not even a fourth of a done away with this field yet, guys, and we're just getting started here. And it's like I told you in the previous video when I was mowing. There's the bale. We 4.5 bales an acre on this Keely. I think we got that. I feel pretty confident. I'm not going very far, and we're popping bales all left and right. Pretty much stacking them on each other, and we don't go very far. Like I said, one thing, you get a lot of bales on this stuff, you just don't get a lot of ground covered because it takes, when you're putting that many bales through it, it's time consuming. You're stopping a lot, tying and going, you know. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing, guys. Just not getting a lot of ground in a day. But we're getting a lot of bales up in a day. There she is. And she's up. Get to the end and I'll show you the bales we got out here. Like I said, we're just getting started here baling. Got a long ways to go on this field. There's 230 acres here. So I only have a fourth of it covered. Got the moisture, there's a moisture right down there. It says 13, 14. So it's nice and dry. We're going to have nice dry hay here when we're done. And there it is. Okay. Turn around here. And we'll kick it out. And there's the bales we got so far, guys. And like I said, I've just started. And you can see all the bales out there. Definitely crazy. I mean, like I said, that's just a portion. I mean, I got a long ways to go here, guys. I got my work cut out for me. Like I said, it's fun. No doubt it's fun. So, well, I'll leave you at that, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope you're doing something you enjoy doing. If you're not, go out and do it. It's a beautiful night. It's roughly 7:30 our time. So I'm gonna bale till dark and see how much I get done tonight yet. But yeah, that's the start of what we got. And I mean, I got there and that's raked and way over there. I gotta get yet. That window's dirty, but I'll turn the baling around here for you. See, I gotta get way over to the trees there. I got a long ways to go. But yeah, 605 SuperM, guys. I like the baler. I'd like to update it if I could, but not this year. But go with the newer style Vermeer. I'm very impressed with the Vermeer. There's a lot of good balers out there, but this is the baler that works for me, and I showed you how good we were running there. So, but yeah, I believe you at that, guys. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, Out and About in Our Country Life. And again, guys, I want to thank you for watching. And remember, stay safe.